Quickdent Implant Innovations, crafting smiles with confidence. Introducing Quickdent Master Kit. A single kit for placing all your conventional, bicortical, pterygoid and basal implants. The Master Kit includes short and long lance drills, suitable for both freehand and pilot-guided surgeries. Our step drills are color-coded for easy identification during osteotomies, enhancing your workflow precision. Along with a countersink drill for coronal tap and reducing stress on cortical bone while placing the implants, a full set of long lance and twist drills allow accurate perforation of the second cortical plate, featuring length markings for optimal control. We've also included essential tools like the drill extender, round bone burr, and tissue punch for added flexibility and ease during procedures. The Master Kit provides two sets of two-point for two drivers, including both ratchet and motor drivers, each available in various lengths for convenient and adaptable use. Similarly, our 1-point to 7 drivers offer length options for both ratchet and motor applications, ensuring flexibility and precision for all implant needs. For multi-unit checks are available, featuring angulations of 17, 30, 45, and 52, allowing you to verify implant angulation. Dedicated basal and straight multi-unit drivers enhance versatility, supporting both basal and multi-unit procedures seamlessly. The HDL handle and torque wrench are indispensable, ensuring secure torque control and orientation during implant placement. At the base of the tray, you'll find the depth probe with clear markings and an osteotome, critical tools for achieving precise implant placement.